Hello, this presentation is by the Child Care Council. Today, I am going to show you how to log in to CACFPnet.com and how to enroll children into the food program using CACFPnet. So first thing you're going to do is in the search bar, we're going to type in CACFPnet.com and click enter. Now, as soon as you're into the actual program, you're going to want to try to bookmark it. You can do this by clicking the star up here or going to your bookmarks bar. Once you bookmark it, you're going to want to log in. So the login button is on the top right corner. So go ahead and click log in. Once you are logged in, you're going to want to enter your email address that the Child Care Council has on file, and then your password, which if you are a new user, we will give you a password. If you used to use KidCare, it is the exact same password that you use for KidCare. And go ahead and click remember me on this computer if this is a computer you're going to continue using, and click login. Once you are in, this is what the home page should look like. It'll say CACFP.net on the upper left corner, your name, the date, home, my CACFP info, planning, changes, business records, help, and log out. Now, primarily, you're going to use the My CACFP info tab. You will be using changes to enter how you are saying that you're closed for a holiday or that you serve meals on a holiday. But for now, we're going to focus on how to enroll children. So under My CACFP info tab, you're going to click on children. And when you go into children, you're going to click pre-enroll a child. Now, if you were in the KidCare program, you'll see your listed children on the left right here. If you were not, it'll be blank. So when you click pre-enroll a child, it should start with a child's number, which you don't need to worry about. Just enter the child's name. So I'm going to choose this child. Date of birth will be and enrollment date will be today. So after you enter this info, go ahead and click enter. Then you're going to go to My CACFP info and children again, and you should see this child at the bottom of the list. So there's this child. When I click this child, you can see the children list pops up, and you see pre-enrolled, the child number, their name, date of birth, the date they were enrolled. You also see a few other options. So below this, you see provider's own. So you click this if this is your own child, foster child, special needs. So if you have a child that's special needs or a child over the age of 13 that's still in your care that's special needs, click that. Special diet, you click special diet if the child cannot have something that is a requirement in our program. For example, if the child cannot have regular milk and they require soy milk, then you need a note from the parent and you could click this box. However, if the child requires something other than soy or lactose-free milk, if they require almond milk or rice milk, then we will need a note from the doctor. You will click this box as well. A situation when you don't need to enter special diet would be if the child is allergic to something like strawberries. Sure, that is a special diet. However, when you're serving strawberries to the other children, you could just serve that child another fruit or vegetable. It doesn't take away a key component that we require you to serve. And we don't require you to serve strawberries. So in that situation, we don't require any documentation and you don't need to click this box. The next is related resident. So this means the child is related to you and lives in your home. That's when you would click that. Related non-resident, so the child is related to you and he does not live in your home. He is transported to your care daily. Formula exemption, you don't need to worry about. Own non-participating. This is for providers who have their own children in care, but the children are not eligible to participate for reimbursement in the program because the provider is not income eligible. So you will click Own Non-Participating, and this is just so the child could still be counted in your capacity without being reimbursed for the child. Formula agreement and infant formula served this month you don't need to worry about, nor do you need to worry about developmentally ready. So after you enter all that information, you're going to click Save. So rather than clicking infant feeding agreement, you're going to fill out this parent-provider infant feeding agreement, which you will receive from the Child Care Council, and return this with the child's printed enrollment form. And after you click Save, we're going to go back to My CACFP Info and Enrollment. This is where you're going to populate the page that you are going to fill out with the parent. So I'm going to go back to this child and click Display Report. And this form I will print out and I will fill out with the parent. I will mark the days the child will be in care, the hours of child care, and after all the necessary information is filled out, I will have the parent or guardian sign. I will sign, and then I will scan and email this to the Child Care Council. Or you could text it to us or drop it off at the office. But you want to get this in as soon as possible without delay. Try not to wait until the end of the month when you're submitting your claims. The sooner we get this, the better. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and watch our next video where we will be showing you how to enter food into this program. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.